Getting awesome coffee drinks at home does not need to break the bank. With the right entry-level espresso machine, you can pull rich, flavorful shots, steam milk to perfection, and experiment with your favorite beans, all from the comfort of your kitchen. And the best part, you get the joy of learning, tweaking, and perfecting your drinks at your own pace without feeling limited by your equipment or budget. Hey friends, John here with Whole Latte Love. Today we're exploring the best entry-level espresso machines of 2025. Machines that bring you into the espresso world without breaking the bank. We'll take you from pressurized portafilters and thermoblocks, that's this thing, it heats water real fast, to latte art wands and brass boilers like this thing that has better thermal stability. And hey, stay tuned until the end for something we've never had in our entry-level category. Psst, it's an HX machine. Quick note before we jump in, every product here comes with a parts and labor warranty. If you want personalized guidance, our US-based coffee team is available to help. You can schedule a coffee cast, which is a live product demo, to compare machines or get setup advice before you buy. Once it's on your counter, our Barista Assist service helps you get dialed in fast so you're brewing with confidence. These are one-on-one appointments with our coffee professionals, not AI gimmicks. We'll match prices, shipping's on us, and if you want to go all in, you can even use the bundler to build even more of your coffee bar. It's a tool expertly curated by our coffee professionals to help you find things like grinders and accessories that'll be a great fit for your machine and save a bit of money while you're at it. Basically, we make it easy to get straight to the fun part, making great espresso and showing off your setup. So, here are our top picks for the best entry-level espresso machines of 2025. Each one combines reliability, user-friendliness, and thoughtful features that help beginners and home baristas craft their favorite drinks right in their own kitchen. I'll guide you through what makes each machine stand out, its key features, and the overall takeaway with links to full reviews, current pricing, and special offers in the description. And hey, anything that sounds kind of technical, I'll try to explain real quick along the way too, like, thermoblocks versus boilers, stuff like that. All right, let's have some fun and get to it. Let's kick things off with the Gaggia Espresso Evolution, the starter machine. This is where a lot of espresso journeys begin. If you've been on the fence about getting into espresso, or you'll be using like a less than perfect grinder or even pre-ground coffee, this is your safe, easy entry point. It's affordable, simple, and gets you making real espresso drinks at home without needing barista training or fancy tools. Made entirely in Italy by Gaggia, the Espresso Evolution includes features you don't often see at this price point, like a PID-regulated thermoblock for precise brewing temperatures and automatic pre-infusion for enhanced flavor extraction. It uses a pressurized portafilter, and if you don't know what that is, those help create pressure even if your coffee isn't ground fine enough, helping you pull a good shot even with store-bought coffee or easy-serving espresso pods. And when you're ready, you can still use freshly ground beans and even program your own shot volumes. For milk drinks, the Panarello wand makes frothing easy for cappuccinos and lattes. No experience required. It heats up in under a minute, shuts off automatically after 30 minutes, and even has a removable drip tray so you can fit taller cups or mugs right under the portafilter spouts. It's also compatible with Gaggia's Cappuccinatore system if you want to further automate milk frothing. From a gift-giving standpoint, this is perfect. I mean, I recently gifted a Gaggia Espresso Evolution. It's perfect for a college student, a first apartment, or anyone who wants to stop paying $7 a day for lattes. It's often the start of a bigger journey before you upgrade to something like the Gaggia Classic E24. But honestly, a lot of people start here and stay here. And I get it. I mean, if you give me this machine and a decent grinder, I'd make you some great drinks. If you do pick one up, we've got a great startup video to help you get going right away. So whether you're brand new to espresso or gifting someone their first taste of it, the Gaggia Espresso Evolution is the perfect place to start. Next, I want to show you a machine that can do everything the Gaggia Espresso Evolution can do, but with the tools to hone your skills at home. The Solis Barista Perfetta Plus brings features you'd expect from higher-end machines like a stainless steel portafilter, a solenoid valve for drier pucks and less mess, and a latte art steam wand, all wrapped up in a compact design with fewer plastics and more durability. Equipped with a PID-regulated thermoblock, the Barista Perfetta Plus reaches brew temperature in just 45 seconds. And thanks to that PID, you can choose from 3 brewing temperatures depending on your coffee. For example, start lower for dark roasts and bump up the temperature for lighter roasts. Use the 54mm commercial baskets if you're grinding fresh, or pop in the pressurized basket when convenience is the goal. The interface features 5 buttons and a pressure gauge. You can easily program single or double shots. Just hold the button until you've got the volume that you want, then release to save it. When it's time to steam milk, the commercial style wand gives you microfoam, perfect for latte art practice. The Barista Perfetta Plus comes ready to brew with a pretty impressive set of accessories, including pressurized and non-pressurized filter baskets, a heavy-duty stainless steel tamper, love that, a 12-ounce milk frothing jug, and a Brita Intensa water filter. These are high-quality pieces you'll actually want to use and not, throw them in a drawer. If you've been eyeing the Breville Bambino Plus, you'll find the Solis compares pretty well. It doesn't have the automatic milk frothing feature, but it delivers precision at a much more approachable price. Overall, the Barista Perfetta Plus lets you craft high-quality drinks at home without stretching your budget. All right, let's take the next step up to a real boiler instead of a thermoblock, a brass group head instead of plastic, a 58mm commercial size and weight stainless steel portafilter, and single-piece steel housing. I'm talking about the Gaggia Classic E24. The Gaggia Classic is long considered the best value home espresso machine out there. Built by hand in Italy, it features all the upgrades I just mentioned, plus that 3-way solenoid valve. There are near endless modifications available, and you'll find decades of knowledge about this machine, to the point where an entire ecosystem has been built around it, so you'll never be without support, both from us here at Whole Latte Love and the large community of Gaggia Classic fans. At the heart of the E24 is a brass boiler, small enough to heat up in just a couple minutes, but with enough thermal mass to deliver temperature stability during extraction, allowing brew temperatures to remain consistent around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. If you really want to see how that brass boiler performs, check out our full review of the Gaggia Classic E24. The E24 includes commercial single and double shot baskets for freshly ground coffee and a pressurized basket for pre-ground coffee. It's available in 9 colors. I like the classic blue myself, and choose from 4 wooden accent upgrades from Vitamin to truly make it your own. In fact, maybe you want to grab an upgraded shower screen and holding plate from BIT. This will help disperse water more evenly across the top of the puck, helping even out your extraction. While you're at it, grab a bottomless portafilter so you can watch your extraction as it's happening. One of my favorite features of the Gaggia Classic E24 is the stellar milk steaming performance, offering fast frothing and finer, more uniform microfoam with more power than the previous 2 machines, thanks to that brass boiler. In tests, the machine produced 5 ounces of milk at 140 degrees Fahrenheit in about 24 seconds. To me, this is a huge upgrade compared to the Gaggia Espresso Evolution and the Solis Barista Perfetta Plus. It pairs well with a quality burr grinder like the Gaggia MDF 55 and other professional accessories. If you're wondering what else might pair well with the E24, we've got you covered if you check out our expertly curated bundler on the product page at wholelattelove.com. Using that will save you some cash, and you can rest assured that all the products you find in there are compatible with it, so super helpful. Overall, the E24 builds on decades of Gaggia's home espresso expertise, delivering a stable, powerful, and versatile machine, and there's never been a better time to join the Gaggia Classic Club. All right, so we just looked at a machine that has a 58mm portafilter, a real boiler, a 3-way solenoid valve, but if you go, you'll get all that, plus a PID with single-degree adjustments, an integrated shot timer, a pressure gauge, fully articulated steam wand, and external brew pressure adjustment. The German-made Profitec GO is a single boiler espresso machine with an average 4.8 out of 5-star rating with over 200 reviews, so it's well loved, and for good reason. It's available in 4 colors, plus the Whole Latte Love exclusive brushed stainless steel, not to mention the wooden and even concrete accents from Vitamin. This is a machine designed for espresso lovers who want precise control, reliability, and stylish design in a compact package. Aside from the bigger boiler, about 13 fluid ounces, one of the Profitec GO's biggest draws is its PID temperature control. While the Solis Barista Perfetta Plus lets you select from 3 preset temperatures, the GO allows you to change your brew and steam temperature in single-degree increments in Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you're like me and you're into single-origin espresso, that level of control will help you unlock the subtle nuances in your coffee with greater precision, meaning you can now dial in like a pro. With the Profitec GO, you've also got the ability to change your brewing pressure with the externally accessible OPV in the range of about 7 to 12 bar. Just pop in your included backflush disc, press the brew button, and twist until that nice large gauge reads the pressure you're aiming for, offering yet another level of control. Good to know, this is the only machine on this list that has an integrated shot timer. No need to bust out your phone or stopwatch whenever you pull a shot. The PID screen is also used to access Eco Mode, which will turn the machine off after a set amount of time, plus it will show you cleaning reminders for when it's time to clean the group head. Plus, it's got that 3-way solenoid valve for easy knockout pucks. The GO is easy to service, built with quality materials including a brass ring group, copper and stainless piping, and well-protected electronics. It comes with a double-spouted portafilter, single and double filter baskets, backflush disc, tamper, and a group brush. With its modern look, precise controls, and high-quality construction, the Profitec GO is a refined single-boiler machine for everyone, but especially for users who like working with single-origin coffees or want to chase a bit more nuance in their espresso. The final machine on our list is something we've never had in an entry-level best of, a heat exchanger. The Stone Lite is a compact, stylish espresso machine designed for people who want steam on demand and don't have a ton of counter space. At under 9 inches wide, it's a slim prosumer machine that can brew espresso and steam milk simultaneously. Made in Italy by the same team behind Rocket Espresso, the Stone Lite combines high-end heritage with space-saving design, heating up in less than 10 minutes and delivering consistent temperatures thanks to its heat exchange boiler and electronically heated PID-controlled group. Its small footprint doesn't compromise functionality. The 1.2-liter removable water tank, 1.5-liter copper boiler, and 0.8-liter steam head space provide plenty of brewing and frothing capacity. The 58mm group accepts standard E61 portafilters and can be upgraded with E61 shower screens. The controls are simple: power switch, brew paddle, and steam valve. The modern square group design and clean LED indicators give it a playful, contemporary look. The machine's design makes it so you don't need to perform a cooling flush before each brew, which is something I wish I could say about more heat exchangers. Milk drinks are a breeze on the Stone, no need to switch into steam mode. Steam is ready whenever you are. The wand produces microfoam quickly, and yes, this is the only machine on this list that allows you to brew and steam at the same time. During our testing, the Stone Lite delivered stable brew temperatures and reliable steaming. Pulling 10 shots in a row at average 3-minute intervals showed solid temperature stability thanks to that electronically heated group head. Frothing 5 ounces of milk to 140 degrees Fahrenheit took just over 23 seconds. The Stone Lite is aimed at lifestyle espresso enthusiasts rather than precision-oriented coffee geeks. It's perfect for anyone who wants quick, cafe-quality lattes at home, and it's the most compact heat exchanger in our whole catalog. While it's not my first choice for chasing single-origin notes, it's still a heavy-duty machine that excels at everyday milk drinks without taking up too much counter space. Packing this much of a punch into such a small footprint at this price makes it a standout option for home baristas who value simplicity and quality. And that's a look at the best entry-level espresso machines of 2025. Each machine offers something unique, from compact simplicity to premium performance, and any of them can be the foundation of your home coffee setup. Now, if you want to dive deeper, check the links in the description for full reviews, current pricing, and verified customer feedback. If you need some help, our team of coffee experts is happy to help. You can even schedule a one-on-one CoffeeCast video consultation for personalized guidance before you buy. Once again, I'm John with Whole Latte Love. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to have fun. Cheers.